Assalamualaikum and hello my YouTube family. आज जो है ना सीधा सीधा healthy खाना और very quick recipe. It's a salmon salad recipe. So let's get started. You only need very few ingredients. So you can see my fish. This is oregano. Hope you can see it. And this is black pepper. Some pink salt, Himalayan salt, and a lemon. That's all what you need to get started. Okay, so let's start marinating the fish. So the next thing is putting in the salt. And next is the black pepper. And last but not the least is the oregano. Okay, so that goes on. Gently sprinkle all along. Ideally you should leave the fish marinated for a good few hours, but as always I'm in a rush, so I'll just straight away that's gonna go in the oven and cook it for a good 15-20 minutes there, and meanwhile I'll just get my salad ready. I've just taken a little bit of olive oil to grease my tray, and then my fish pieces go in. And I'll just put a little bit of olive oil on the top. Okay, and then that juice goes on as well. So I'll just preheat the oven, and I'll set the temperature at 180 to 200 degrees. Just wanted to show you how it looks after just over 10 minutes of cooking. I'm just gonna turn it over and then cook for another few minutes. उम्मीद है आप रेडी होंगे जी। अब हम बनाने लगे हैं अपना सैलेड। ठीक है, हमने और आप अपनी मर्ज़ी की चीज़ें ले सकते हैं। आई हैव टेकन क्यूकम्बर, iceberg lettuce, avocados, tomatoes, baby corns and peppers, and this is my mixing bowl. And have a look and I'll show you how we're gonna mix everything. Cucumbers, so it's almost one cucumber. So baby corns, it depends on you how you want them, but if you want them nice and crunchy, then you don't need to boil them. Otherwise, if you want them soft, you can boil them as well. So just cut them into long slices to go into this salad. Next comes our tomatoes, so they go in, and my yellow peppers go in. The salad has to look beautiful. Time to cut the avocados. So just peel off the skin. Wow, my soft and creamy avocado. सब कुछ काटें फाटें और अंदर डाल दें. So avocados go in. Now is the time to make some lovely yummy dressing. Squeeze some lemons in. We need roughly around 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. 3 tablespoons of virgin olive oil to this. यहाँ कैमरा क्यों पुट्ठा हो गया है कुछ पता नहीं. Roughly a teaspoon of salt and just a hint of black pepper. Mix it well. So some freshly chopped parsley and some freshly chopped basil leaves. They go in this sauce and they'll give this a very unique flavor. So let's pour it in. थोड़ी सी जो है ना basil leaves और parsley डालना and just a hint of mixed herbs and your yummy and very unique salad dressing is ready. Finally, the step that if you want you can avoid, so this is optional. My fish is fully cooked, but I'm just gonna drop a drop of olive oil so that it looks even yummier and crunchy. Okay, so just a drop of olive oil. Okay, I pretty much drop on each one of them, and that's going to give it a nice finishing touch. So just I'll be cooking only for 1 minute each side, and my fish is fully done, ready to be added to the salad. When you have got kids at home, fish, you can't have fish without the chips. So these are the chips being done, and look at this finishing of the fish. I mean, these are the marks that I love to have on the fish, and hence this additional step. Check this out. I'm already getting excited about this. Sauce on top of each and every piece of fish. And the rest goes on top of the salad. And then I'll give it a good mix. So I'll give it a good mix. And then the way I'm going to present it is I'll put salad in each plate, and then on top I'll just add a piece of salmon. आज के लिए बस इतना ही. मुझे ज़रूर बताएं कि आपको मेरी रेसिपीज़ कैसी लग रही हैं एंड हाउ कैन आई इम्प्रूव माई सेल्फ. और अब है जी टाइम फॉर सम मार्केटिंग. Here is my Facebook page. Do visit it when you get a chance. And also this is my YouTube channel. Share it with people you know. And also visit my Instagram page.